Plugin installation guide for Import Rubric from CSV. Download Import Rubric from CSV from Moodle plugin repository. Download Rubric Importer Core from Moodle plugin repository. Go to your Site Administration and install the plugins. Install the plugin Rubric Importer Core first. This installation is mandatory. After installation, set up the basic configuration for additional validations if needed. Install Import Rubric from CSV. This installation will check if Rubric Importer Core is installed before continuing. Now I'll set you up for the usage guide. Create a new assignment or view an existing assignment where you want to import your rubric. Add the block Import Rubric from CSV inside your assignment. Use the button Import from CSV. Upload CSV file following the example structure. Full example will be in this video description and inside the Moodle plugin repository. Import and wait for redirection. Now use the Advanced Grading UI to enable, edit, or delete your imported rubric. I hope this plugin is useful to you. Remember to like this video and rate the plugins in the Moodle plugin repository. I'll see you in the comments section.